Get conditional string return value, true or false. I have conditional string like below. Above both condition gives me output true and false respectively. More explanations. Condition 1 work as. Output for condition 1, true. Condition 2 work as. Output for condition 2, true. Update. Sorry friends. I have conditional string like above condition 1 and condition 2. I want to make function when I parse condition as string and that function perform like if, else and return Boolean value. Please help. Thanks Chintan.
Warning: using eval is potentially dangerous and you should never eval untrusted input, for example any kind of user input.
If you are asking how to get the condition evaluated and have Python give you the true or false output, take a look at the eval function in Python.
In Python, the operator for comparison is equals. Either way, you should state more clearly what we should help you with, if that doesn't solve your problem. Update: the function you're looking for to evaluate a string which represents a Python expression is eval.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.